welcome. I'm glad to have you here. I hope you can stay around. But today is, well, not today, but we're celebrating my 20th birthday today. And I was like, what better way to glow up, you know? A new year, new me, that's what they say. So I'm just gonna be doing my makeup and stuff, and then I'll take y'all along. I might make a couple friends over for dinner and stuff, so I'll show y'all that really quickly. But yeah, let's just get on into it. Like this video, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I just got done with my face makeup. I just did really simple, you know, just get the job done. But if you hear something, it's Rosie. She's in her crate next to me. She's chilling. She's chewing on her bone. So I'm gonna do a little cream contour because why the heck not? It's my second decade on Earth, you know? I think a little cream contour, spice it up. So I was actually gonna make like a 20 things I learned before the age of 20, but I was like, you know, maybe I could just do a little chit chat. I don't think I'll do all 20, but I can talk about some things that I've learned in my 2 decades on Earth. I know 20 isn't as significant as 21, but I also feel like it is significant. It's definitely like a change of year. You're going into your 20s, your first year, and I feel like you've had enough. Rosie really wants to get out. You've had enough things going in your life that you could probably give a little advice, so why not? I feel like 20 just this year for me was really significant. It's been a crazy year. I think every single person on this world could say that it's been a crazy year, but I think this year I went through a lot more than I normally go through, and although it was bad, Rosie, you're killing the vibe, girl. You're killing the vibe. Okay, she's laying down. Although it was really terrible for me in the moment, I learned a lot about myself in those really hard times, and you know, those things pushed me to, you know, come out of my shell a little bit, start a YouTube channel. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? I can't even really talk to people sometimes, much less talk to a camera, but this has really helped me so much, and it's always been a dream of mine to start a channel. I mean, I would sit in my bathroom and pretend I was filming a makeup tutorial before. So I was like, you know what? If I'm already going this far, I might as well do the damn thing, right? So I just used the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick and the Benefit Blush Stick, and then I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. But I feel like I learned a lot about the people around me. I definitely had to take a step back a lot of times to realize who I wanted to be and who I wanted to hang around with and what I was worth, because I'll tell you what, if you don't know what you're worth, you can never get anywhere. My camera is out of memory. Sorry, I'm back. I was talking about knowing your worth. I think that's an important lesson to learn. I would just surround myself with people simply because they were there and because I wanted to be in a certain crowd, or I wanted to be around certain people, and I didn't care how they treated me, I guess. So it's definitely, I learned that it's not about the, as cheesy as it sounds, it's not about the quantity that you have in your life, it's about the quality. And I think that goes for really anything, you know? Really anything. Okay, I'm gonna bronze up my face. I'm using the Becca Volley Sands bronzer. This year is going to be a really important year in my life. I feel like I'll be applying to nursing school. I'll be leaving A&M because I'll be graduating college, and then I'll be going to nursing school. So that's definitely scary because nursing school makes me, just the thought of it makes me really anxious. So I just think it's the application, and also it's very hard on top of that. So it'll be very interesting. Oh my goodness. Process. I'm nervous about that. I'm going to start getting on that once the semester starts, taking my entrance exams and stuff like that. So, and then I'll be going to nursing school hopefully if all goes well. So it'll be a crazy year to say the least. But yeah, I feel like I have so much to talk about, but I don't know what is useful. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and think about it, and then I'll get right back to you. Okay, I finished my brows. Sorry, it takes way too much concentration for me to do on camera. I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil to fill them in, and then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. So now I'm gonna do my lashes. She's got cute lashes. She's a mammoth, of course. I don't know if that's how it goes, but okay. So I thought while I was doing my eyebrows, very deep thinking. Oh, you okay, girl? She said she's okay. I was gonna do my takeaways, what I would like to bring with me to my 20th year. So here's what I'm thinking. I always am insecure about what other people think about me, and I don't like that I'm like that. So one takeaway, be confident, you know? Oscar always tells me, why you live one life, why are you going to be insecure what other people think about you? Like, you know them for such a small portion, most of them. So why would you let people navigate you through your life when you can navigate yourself? And I think that's a very important point. Am I right? So I'm just curling my lashes. I'm not taking my eyebrow out or anything. And then I'm just brushing through them. Rosie, what have you learned in your life? She said, I've learned I have a very nice mom and dad. Yes, you are right. I learned that having a dog, it's a lot of work. Rosie, did you hear that? I'm talking about you. Yeah, you miss. I wish I would show y'all her, but she might get a little bit riled up if I take her out. She like is quite a princess. Like if she gets off her schedule, she has meltdowns. Like if she doesn't get her 3 naps a day in her crate, she will not. She can't function. Like she has meltdowns. Comment down below if your dog is the same, because me and Oscar are really curious. Because like if she just does not stay right on schedule, her whole day is messed up. Her entire day. Okay, so I'm just using the Colossal Volume by Maybelline. I'm gonna do the other lash and then I'll get right back to y'all. I don't wanna talk too much. I did my lashes. I put a little bit of extra mascara on for good luck, you know. For good luck. So I'm gonna do my lip. Do I want to put my lipstick on already? I'll just show y'all what I'm gonna use because I think I want to snack a little bit. I don't want to have to keep reapplying it. Okay. So for lips, I think I'm gonna use the MAC Viva Glam. I could just put it on. What's it gonna hurt? MAC Viva Glam. It's like this really pretty mauve. Add a little bit of sparkle. My nose itches. I've had this since like my freshman year prom. That's like 5 years. Is it still good? Probably not. Am I still gonna use it? Absolutely. I spent money on it. My mom spent money on it. Why wouldn't I use it? And then I'm gonna go in with Fenty, Gloss Bomb, and Fussy. Always sounds weird when I say it. I feel like it could be misconstrued. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on because if I put too much, then I look not cute. like and subscribe. Okay, I'm going to now do my hair. I don't do it very good, so I'm not going to show very much of it. I'll show you maybe one piece, but let's get into it. Alrighty everyone, I'm on my last piece of hair. I thought I would show you what I do. So I just wrap it around, leave like an inch off. Rosie's she's always doing something, that girl. And then I just don't leave it too long. She's trying to think of a way to escape, I think. She's like, how do I leave this house? Oh, I hate it here. No, I think she really does love it here. Do you love it here with us? You do. He's so cute. Okay, so then I do that. Oh, I kind of left a straight piece. Okay. And then so I just brush it out because I don't like them to be too tight. This one's really tight. It'll fall though. It'll fall in a little bit. But I'm gonna get dressed in a little bit and then I'll show you my outfit and show you our little photo booth and stuff. So I just wanted to show my outfit really quick. So I'm just wearing this top from Princess Polly. Has some frill on it, and then a black skirt from American Eagle. Yeah, and then my earrings are from Amazon, and then my necklace is from Amazon. So yeah, let's get it. Ooh, how cute.